Hey art enthusiasts! Looking to spark your creativity and explore something new? Penkraft's DIY art kits are here to inspire your inner artist. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these unique do-it-yourself kits make it easy and fun to dive into a wide range of traditional and contemporary art forms. Let's take a closer look at the Madhubani on Kettle kit. Each kit includes beautiful Madhubani stencil on tracing paper to guide your design, 2 brushes, number 000 for fine detailing and number 3 for broader strokes, a set of 6 vibrant acrylic colors, a sturdy aluminium kettle ready to paint. You'll also find a label with a QR code. Just scan it to access a step-by-step video tutorial that will walk you through creating your very own Madhubani masterpiece on a kettle. And that's just one of the many options. Penkraft offers a wide variety of art forms to explore, including calligraphy styles like cut nib, brush pen, Devanagari and copperplate, folk and tribal arts like Warli, Madhubani, Gond, Pichwai, Lippan and Kalamkari, plus exciting techniques like knife painting, resin art, fluid art, dot mandala, alcohol ink art, one-stroke painting, Scandinavian art, image transfer and more. You can try them out on different surfaces such as trays, coasters, wall clocks, chopping boards, photo frames, pen stands, MDF boxes, acrylic sheets, ceramic mugs, and of course kettles. So, what are you waiting for? Order your very own Penkraft DIY kit today and let your creativity shine!